Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download the Google Sites as PDF in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on sites.google.com. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your Google account if you haven't already. Now over here on the home page itself, you are going to see all of the projects or the websites that you have created previously. So among these, you just have to select that particular website which you want to basically download as PDF. Now over here, you will see this publish icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. So here you just have to first of all publish your website, and then you need to open your website in the URL. So here when your website is open just like so, all you need to do is you just have to simply press Ctrl+P on your keyboard, and then you will see the PDF version of your website. So here click on the option of save, and this particular website will be saved as PDF on your device. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.